I've been in the area like 50 years, so I've been riding up and down Sunset a long time. Very important artery on your way up north to Main Street, and very important to Lino Lake residents and Blaine residents specifically, but then the entire area. Over time, just more traffic and development, and just needs an improvement. Sunset can be a little bit of a racetrack, and so people get up to speed there because, it's because you can. So number one is to slow it down a little bit and make it safer. And so they're looking at 2 roundabouts right now. And I know that a lot of people say we've got enough roundabouts, but I live off of Bird Street. They put a couple of roundabouts there by the school and everything. It really did calm things down and make it a safer, road to drive on. I think the same thing will happen on Sunset. Right now they're proposing some medians that will stop people from being able to take left turns and stuff, and I don't really know about that. We'll have to have more conversation about that. But if we really do put those 2 roundabouts in, it's going to bring the speed down, and then I'm going to argue that maybe we don't need the medians right now, because on the west side, where Blaine is, a lot of that land isn't developed yet. And so maybe you look at medians and maybe some more mitigation of turns and speed and things like that when that develops, and that's not going to happen for 15 to 20 years. So I just think that the plan is mostly good. It needs a little tweaking. I'm listening to residents right now at this open house. We'll see what we can get done and make it work for the county and the residents. But really it's just collaboration and talking, and it's events like this where you listen to residents and you come up with a product, and basically the engineers come in and they come up with a concept that makes sense to them. Then you bring it to the county and the residents, and then we'll tell you what also makes sense. And then tweaking makes the right changes and hopefully the right project at the end of the day. What I would stress is that anybody that has concern about this or wants to share their opinion about how this project should go, please contact me, because a lot of people say, oh, they're going to do what they're going to do, but county commissioners can influence and change projects and make it right, and those small little changes that maybe we didn't hear about or maybe don't know about, please contact me so that I know, so I can bring those concerns forward.